My name is Scovia. I joined Nyaka in 2007 when I am in P1. It is like 4.5 kilometers from my home to school. It takes me 45 minutes to come to school. The journey is short. Other people go 28 kilometers on foot.
Scovia is one of 500 children receiving education and support from the Nyaka AIDS Orphan Project in Uganda. This country has the highest percentage of AIDS orphans in the world. 7.5% of the population have lost their parents to HIV and AIDS.
I came to stay with my grandmother when I was 2 years old after my mother's death. My mother died because of AIDS. She left me with one sister whose name is called Ansasirisa.
Nyaka AIDS Orphan Project does very many projects in the field. It has 2 schools, that is Nyaka AIDS Orphan Schools, and then the Kutamba AIDS Orphan School that is situated in Rugunjiri.
My best subjects at school are science, mathematics, and social studies.
Nyaka AIDS Foundation has been able to do formal and informal education to these children and grandmothers. On a monthly basis, these grandmothers come in a meeting. Then we sensitize them for the security, importance of education, HIV, AIDS, how they can be avoided, how they can always talk to their children about AIDS, because there is a big generation gap between these grandmothers and these children.
Nearly all Nyaka's students live with their grandparents. Scovia's grandma, Mauda, is one of over 7,000 grandmothers receiving help through the Nyaka's Grandmother Training Program. Mauda works on Nyaka's 17-acre farm where she grows food to help support her family.
I live with my grandmother who is called Ashemire Mauda. She is 82 years old. My grandmother is my friend.
Before Nyaka came, things were worse because I had no hope for school fees to take my children to school. But Nyaka came and helped me.
The aims of this organization, mainly it is to give quality education to the children who have been orphaned by HIV/AIDS, and then to change conditions of the guardians and the community, especially in education, using the holistic approach.
I'm so pleased because of what Nyaka is giving to my granddaughter Scovia. She's getting everything for free.
After students finish elementary education, Nyaka continues to support them through high school.
When I grew up, I want to be a nurse because I like treating people's sicknesses.
Support the Nyaka AIDS Orphan Project to help children receive quality education and break the cycle of poverty.
Nyaka Group has given me a blanket. It has helped me in teaching my children.